You want to hit the perfect drop shot? Everyone says just hit it softer, but the perfect drop shot isn't about softness. It's about shape. So let's break down how to create the perfect arc every time. Section 1, the physics of the drop. The goal is simple. Clear the net by inches, land in the kitchen, and force your opponent to hit up. That requires one thing, a consistent paddle path. Say it with me now, consistent paddle path. If your swing changes each time, your drop floats or dies, which isn't good for anybody. We want a long life for the drop shot. That brings us to section 2, the motion. Start with your paddle lightly below the ball. Your stroke moves forward and slightly up. Imagine brushing up the front of the ball like you're lifting it onto a table. Keep your wrist firm. You don't want a floppy wrist or a weak wrist. The motion comes from your shoulder though, and elbow, not your wrist. Most players flick their wrist. They think the key's in the flick. The key's not in the flick. And that's why their drops sail high or in the net. The key in pickleball is to make it simple. You don't need a fancy flick. So that takes us to section 3, the drill. Stand 3 feet behind the kitchen line and drop 10 balls, one at a time. Try to make each one just clear the net and die in the kitchen. To do this, you want to watch the shape and have the same arc, the same tempo with every shot. It doesn't make sense if you go out and practice and your shots, your swing are different every time. I once saw a lady hitting off a ball machine. She was hitting a backhand, just swatting at it. The shape of the swing was different each time. That practice, that ball machine, it's not doing anything. You got to have consistency, the same swing. So watch the shape, make sure it has the same arc and same tempo. Once your paddle path and ball arc match, your drop feels automatic. So control the shape, not the speed, and you'll hit perfect drops every time. Or 60% of the time, you'll hit them every time. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and most importantly, subscribe if you want to see more pickleball instructional videos.